Hey friends, if you encounter the error, an error occurred while internet connection sharing was being enabled, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable the antivirus. Now, how can you disable the antivirus? So, here's what you can do. Search for Windows Defender, Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on Manage Settings in under Virus and Threat Protection settings, and then turn off real-time protection and then click on Yes. The next solution is to update Windows. Okay, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on Update Windows or install whatever option you get, and then check the internet connection sharing service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and select services, and then scroll down to the internet connection sharing service. Okay, right click on it and then start it, or if it is already started then restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.